This is the NYX Color Correcting Palette. I've had this one for almost a year now. I was introduced to it by the makeup artist that did my makeup for a friend's wedding. He used it for my dark circles under my eye. It looked really great and I was hooked, so I bought it and I use it every single time I put makeup on. I get my sponge. I use this pink salmon color and I just apply it on like so. And from that, you can already see the difference with the product, without the product. On this side too. And sometimes I will go ahead and use whatever is left on the sponge onto my eyelid. My eyes are instantly brighter with it, and then you can proceed with, doing the rest of your face with your normal makeup routine. My kids mess with this, so it's a little bit messed up, but the different colors are for different problem areas on your face. The yellow is to cover veins or bruises. If you have redness, pimples, or zits, the green is great for that. The purple is to neutralize yellow undertone. The pink for my under eye circles. And then these two can be used as regular concealers, although this one is a little too dark for my skin tone. I do have a little bit of redness here, so I'm going to go ahead and get some of that green. This is a staple in my makeup routine and definitely a great product for the price. Hi everyone, Essie here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any question regarding this item, please let me know in the comments section below and I would be more than happy to answer it. See you there.